Out of my life, but that's okay, cause I'm mighty fine. You did me wrong, so I had to cross you out real quick. Fuck you, you ain't legit. A bitch like me would never quit. You put me last on the list, but that's okay, cause God pushed me to the top. God told me he ain't gonna stop. Down deep under. I'm light skinned, but I come from a black mother. I am a black queen. My name is Gifted T. I'm just trying to get this green. I would say chase all this money, but I ain't chasing nothing. The universe is gonna push it through the realm right now to me. Pay the fee. I stand 10 toes down on my shit. I could never be no bitch. I could never be no hoe. Keep these hoes up on their toes. Tell them go and get my money. They was moving slow. It's time hadn't been pushed off to the side, like I wasn't the big deal, like I wasn't a star, like I wasn't the one that was gonna buy my parents a nice fast car. I been put down a long time ago when I came out my mama's womb. I was doomed for a hard, rough life, but I am a earth angel and I live it right. I made it to the top, I got my bread right. I do the thing, drive these haters insane. When they told me I wasn't shit, I didn't complain. I just got up and got. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna leave this here. Thank y'all for watching my freestyle flow. Your girl looks a little cute. I was supposed to go out last night. And didn't end up going anywhere. I got dressed up to go out and didn't go anywhere. So I ended up just going to bed in my makeup, y'all. So I had put the little sparkles in the corner over here. You know, I don't ever wear too much makeup. I like to have a very natural look. Natural beauty is like really it. You feel me? But yeah. Feel kind of cute. Gonna take a bath, wash it off, and do it all over again, I suppose. But yeah, y'all. This is my freestyle flow. I love y'all. Thank y'all for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Y'all know the bitch is the goat. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching though. Thank you for watching. Yeah, much love, positivity, respect. Don't be looking at my one broken nail on the fuck you finger. I need to go get it fixed, y'all. I don't even know what the fuck this is, but it feels kind of nice to do, y'all. I don't know what that means. I don't know, what does that mean? I know what that means. H-Town in this bitch. A bitch like me never switch. But anyways, y'all. I love y'all. That's it. Peace. A chunk up the deuce of the south, okay? I don't have diamonds in my mouth, but I have a nice smile. Let me stop smiling. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet, y'all. I probably got stuff in my teeth. But, we're not going to talk about that. Love y'all. Peace.